Hi, my name's Tom. I'm here to talk to you about frying pans. These are our favorite types of frying pans now. We used to use a lot of non-stick pans. We used to use some ceramic pans. Now we stick with these LIGTSPCE pans. I call them light space because they're just kind of missing some valves. But this is my 10-inch pan. We've had this one for about a year now. It could probably be cleaned a little better. This is the 12-inch pan. We just got this about 3 or 4 months ago. We wanted to get two of them, just kind of use them. These are stainless steel non-stick pans. So stainless steel means it will work with electric, it'll work with gas. These particular ones will actually work with convection and on the ceramic tops, all those different tops. These pans will work. Not apparently all of them don't. We've gas, so we have no problem with it. These are heavy-duty pans. They feel good in the hand. They've got a wonderful tapered handle. They are comfortable. You do assemble them. You put these two things in, these two screws in, and you just screw them in. They're nice and tight. The advantage of a non-stick metal steel pan like this, a hybrid pan, is that you can use metal utensils. You can use this, you can use forks, you can use knives, anything you want, because on this thing is just 1,000 little tiny bumps. And that's what makes it non-stick. It is dishwasher safe. You can beat the heck out of these things, and they just work really, really well. I'm going to cook up some eggs real quick just to kind of show you how non-stick they are. But one thing we actually have found is they heat up relatively quickly. They're a thin pan. They're not like a heavy, thick stainless steel. It's a pretty thin steel. It is solid, but they do heat up pretty quickly. And you do want to use a little bit of oil in them as well, just to kind of coat that layer there, help things slide. That really helps things along. You don't necessarily have to. I would still at least season it once or twice every now and then. You can cook without oil, but with a little bit of oil makes everything a whole lot easier, a little bit tastier anyway. But I'm going to go ahead and show you kind of how we cook eggs with this, and I'm just going to show you how amazingly non-stick it really is. So here we go. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to turn on the gas. Going to put it to about medium high. I'm going to give it a moment there. Okay, I've given it about 30 seconds. Let me go ahead and just put some butter on there. There we go. Perfect. I want you to see the edges are already browning. It is not sticking. Again, I'm using my metal spatula. You will see, look at that. It doesn't even try to stick. I can just move it around. There's really nothing sticking. It's just these little tiny dots. They don't allow the egg itself to actually stick. It's really pretty amazing. I can slide it around. Look at that, nothing. If I put that on regular stainless steel, it would probably be seared to the bottom. It just slides around. I'll put it back on there, get direct heat. Okay, let's go ahead and give it a quick flip here. There we go, same idea. Just cooks it right in, real nice and simple. Same idea, I can just go ahead, after I give it a moment to kind of cook on that side, I can just slide it around. It's really pretty amazing. It's just completely and totally non-stick. It's remarkable. I've never seen anything like it. My regular non-stick pans were never this non-stick. We just love these things. I made an omelet for my son 2 minutes later. As you can see, it's just still non-stick. It just slides right off there. It's just like in the movies. It's just an amazing non-stick pan. Here it is right after cooking. It is clean, very hot, because be careful. You can just go ahead and wash it with soap and water, or you can go ahead and put it in the dishwasher. Overall, these things have really kind of just made our life a whole lot easier. Again, we have two of them right now. We're thinking about getting another one. We don't have the ones with the lid. It's a pretty standard lid, though. You can get a lid anywhere. But if you really, really like non-stick pans, you don't want to deal with all the chemicals in non-stick, and you still want a stainless steel pan that can be done for a lot of different things. You can sear stuff in it. You can fry stuff. You can go ahead and just cook things straight on it, burgers, whatever you want. These are the pans to get. They're really, really high quality. We like them a lot.